And now our next pairing, Valerie, our youngest contestant, who has been singing and joining singing contests since kindergarten, faces off with another top scholar from Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2. It's Zoe versus Lizelle. Panoorin natin ito.
Si Zoe po, hindi siya perfect. May mga imperfections din po siya. Hindi po sa lahat ng oras lagi siyang magaling, hindi po sa lahat ng oras ganun. May mga weaknesses din po.
Siyempre po, nakaka-overwhelm and I'm very thankful kasi after all ng paghihirap sa pag-training, sa lahat-lahat, sa wakas, nasuklian din lahat ng pagod. Nakapasok na rin sa top 5 at kasi masaya na po ako para doon. Label na mismo, Chinoy. Tapos ako, parang hindi naman ako Chinoy, Phil-Am naman ako. Pero kahit pa hindi naman ako Chinoy, magta-try pa rin ako kasi love ko naman yung Chinese culture, tsaka okay naman ako magkanta ng mga Chinese songs. Kahit 80% pa yan, gagawin ko yung best ko. Na pakita sa kanila na kahit hindi ako Chinese, kaya ko kumanta ng Chinese. At kaya ko maging Chinoy star ka na.
Zoe, good luck sa'yo and God bless. Alam ko kaya mo yan kasi talented kang bata. And sana mag-pray ka muna bago ka sumalang. And yun lang, basta good luck, do your best and be yourself. Yun lang.
To go back now that I have some direction. It should be nice to be back home where there's love and affection. And just maybe I can convince time to slow down, giving me enough time of my life to grow up. But I still know where I'm going. I've had my mind spin around in space, and yet I know where I'm growing. Oh, if you're listening now, please don't make it hard to know if we should believe the things that we see. Tell us, should we run away, or should we try and stay? Should it be better just to let things be? Living here in this brand new world might be amazing. It's something to love, something to real something. Though we must look inside.
Wow! Thank you so much, Lizelle and Zoe. Ngayon naman pakinggan natin ang comments sa ating judges. Let's start with Judge Pinky.
Congratulations, what a wonderful duet. Lizelle and of course, what's your nickname now? Zoe. Zoe, you know, you can mature with just a change of outfit, fashion, hairstyle. You are like a chameleon. Yung pwede kang iba, di ba? Parang teeny bopper, pwede mature. But of course, with a little guidance, yung boses din, pwede mong i-adapt yung boses mo sa kanta na pipiliin mo. And today, because magaling na talaga ang champion yung partner mo, nakita ko, na-inspire ka, lumabas ang pagka-womanhood dito sa kanta na ito. Congratulations.
Thank you, Judge Pinky. Now, on to Judge Jonathan.
Zoe and Lizelle, congratulations. Ang sarap niyong panoorin. Nag-enjoy ako sa number. And of course, one of my favorites din yung Home na yan. And ang ganda ng interpretation ni Lizelle, divang-diva. Nag-contrast na naman dun sa interpretation ni Zoe na parang yung young, very dreamy, na makaka-inspire dun sa mga ka-age mo na nanonood sa'yo na to fulfill that dream kasi very inspiring nga yung message ng song na yun. And I think you both pulled it off very well. Congratulations.
Thank you, Judge Jonathan. Now let's move on to Judge Benny.
Alam ko, ikaw yung pumili ng song na yan. Alam ko, gusto mo yan, Home. And natutuwa ako kasi nag-go-grow ka na talaga. Sabi ko, Zoe, kailangan mong maramdaman, i-feel mo rin yung song, even at your younger age. Kailangan maramdaman mo yung song. Para pag dineliver mo siya, ando nasa puso mo. So, my congratulations.
All right, thank you, judges. Thank you, Lizelle and Zoe.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.